Zero emissions. Electric SUVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, helping to reduce the environmental impact compared to gasoline-powered vehicles. Advanced technology. These vehicles are packed with advanced tech such as autonomous driving features, infotainment systems, wireless charging, and regenerative braking systems, making them highly connected and efficient. Spacious interiors. Electric SUVs often offer more space for passengers and cargo due to the absence of a large engine, giving them an advantage over traditional SUVs in terms of comfort and storage capacity. Electric SUVs are more than just a mode of transportation. They represent the perfect blend of space, sustainability, and advanced technology. Chatten 2, leading electric SUVs in the market, 2.3 Bro. Several major automakers are already producing electric SUVs, and the competition in this segment is growing quickly. Here are some of the leading electric SUVs that are defining the market. Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is one of the most popular electric SUVs, featuring all-wheel drive, Falcon wing doors, and an impressive range of up to 371 miles on a single charge. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric SUVs available. The Model X also comes with autopilot and full self-driving options. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is Ford's first all-electric SUV, offering a range of up to 300 miles. It combines the iconic Mustang performance with the practicality of an SUV. The Mach-E is available in several configurations, from performance-oriented versions like the Mach-E GT to more eco-friendly variants.